What is up, Wretched Nation? I hope all of you are well and doing good. The plan was to actually hop on the Dyna because that bike's doing okay. I think it was all 100% my fault. If you're not up to speed on the Dyna, I guess I'm a bit of an idiot. Haven't been checking the oil very well. I think the lean of the bike has been messing with me checking the dipstick, and I think it's okay. I think it was just really low on oil. Don't think I really did any super long lasting damage. That being said, if we blow it up, we can build it faster. But we're gonna go take that out, get a little bit of wheelie practice in. Hopefully, I haven't tried wheelies in a while. I've just been busy, but it was hot all day long, kind of a little too hot. I saw the temperature get up to about 100 degrees, and now it's raining. I don't know how much it's gonna rain. It wasn't planning on raining. There is a little downtown, like little street fair we're going to tonight. I probably won't ride to it now. I don't know how the weather's gonna be, but I don't wanna get there soaking wet and have to walk around in wet jeans. That kind of sucks. But we're still gonna go out and have a good time nonetheless. I'm just gonna hopefully maybe do some wheelies tomorrow, maybe do a little bit of riding. I don't know, but I do want to just jump on here and thank everyone who's been hitting up our site. I know we don't have a whole lot of traffic probably through here, but if you did, I definitely want to say I appreciate it. The clothing's been rolling pretty good. This week has been exceptionally well. My goal overall for the year is to average an order a day. And if you do want to know more about the clothing, even if you're not interested in like purchasing, but just interested in the process and everything we do, drop a comment down below. Definitely don't mind showing more of that. We do have a clothing site. It's what I've started at the beginning, and I have a good time with it, making cool designs and hopefully things that you guys appreciate. But we've been rolling pretty good with that. Like I said, we're on track hopefully maybe do an average order of one order a day. We came up a little short last year. We haven't been doing it very long, and is what it is. Now this year I was hoping to do some more events. We've done, I think, technically 2, but I had planned to do 3 options, and all 3 of them got shot down probably about a week after I planned to do them. If you did watch one of our that's probably like 2 videos back, we did go to one of the Harley shops for a chopper show. Chopper show itself wasn't that great. We had a great time. A lot of people showed up, just really no choppers. But we had 3 events lined up. It was a local car and bike show that was going to be probably 5 minutes from the house, and messaging them on Facebook, and that just dropped out. It got canceled. They just said unforeseen circumstances. I don't know if it's going to be done in the future, but kind of lost out on that one. And another one was another company doing a show at the end of this month, but they do clothing and they don't want any other clothing vendors there. Totally understand, so can't go to that one. And then the other one that I planned on going to was a big weekend event in a couple months, and getting ready to do that, or planning on that and strategizing for it. And I got to go out of town for a wedding. I found out about the wedding probably, or the actual wedding date, probably a week after I started planning. So it is what it is. You can't miss your friends and family's weddings. So we're going to do that. But nonetheless, just want to say, I guess, in the long way of saying thank you guys for checking us out. We're very close to 300 subscribers, I think, as I'm filming this. We're about 6 short of hitting 300. So maybe by the time this video comes out, or with this video, we can hit 300. That would be awesome. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some wheelie in, riding in, whatever. But we'll see you then.
All right, guys. It's the next day. We're going to go out, maybe see what we can do with Dyna today. It's already getting extremely hot. I don't know what the temperature is. I know earlier it was like 80 something. So it's going to be a hot one. It's supposed to rain later. But we got some free time now before that. and it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. So I figured I'd go out, see what we can't do with the bike a little bit before I need to come back and do a little work. But let's hop on the bike and get it. Alright guys, it is hot, but we're going to go out and see if we can't have a little bit of fun. I'm not good at wheelies at all. I can barely bring the front tire up. Honestly, it still scares the hell out of me. But getting that front tire up and riding it for whatever little bit I can is still some of the most fun I've ever had. And just the feeling you get of actually succeeding something is amazing. So I do love to come out and try it. There's a lot of cops in town, and my spot that I like to try out is in town at a church. So I don't think I'm going to go out there today. And also with how hot it is, I know that I'm not going to be able to do a whole lot because this bike's going to heat up fast. I'm not going to be able to go out and just do a full-on session because I know this bike is going to be pretty hot pretty fast. That's okay. I'm not that great anyway, so we'll just ride around a little bit and have a bit of fun. I got a lot of more work to do. It's kind of funny, you know, I was talking about it yesterday about orders and getting stuff done, and for the last, and wanting to do, you know, an order a day for this year. And I've got 6 orders in the past, I don't know, 24 hours. That's insane for me, because I didn't really do any big discount, no big sale, no new drop. And to get 6 orders in 24 hours with nothing really new, that's pretty cool. If any of you guys are watching, I definitely appreciate it. But we're working on that, trying to do better, and I'm just happy so far with the results. One other thing that I am going to try and do, and I guess I'm going to film it and try to do another series and see how it goes. The way I started this channel, I kind of had it in my mind. I wanted to do some upgrades to this bike, some small stuff, but I wanted to do some upgrades, and I had a lot of more free time during the week. That's before I switched positions at my job. So I was actually kind of going thrift shopping and buying things and selling them to pay for the parts. And I thought that was kind of fun. It's something I've done before, and I just kind of filmed the process, and I kind of started the channel that way. And I mean, it was pretty successful. It didn't take too long, but I'm not in that position to do that anymore. Going to thrift shops on the weekends aren't really profitable, and I'm kind of busy. So what I've been focusing more now is just, I've got a little bit more free time, maybe at work or in between things, and I can focus a little bit more on like Facebook Marketplace and different things online. And I've been doing that and focusing, looking at video games and different things. I do collect some, but without getting into a bunch of that. Video games are super profitable right now. They sell so fast, it's crazy. So I think I'm going to maybe do another series. I just this morning went and picked up a bundle of stuff, and we're going to do that. And I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with the money. I'm either going to buy some parts, or maybe even do like a long haul type deal. And I don't know, I kind of want to buy another flip bike. We did pretty good with that Sportster. Maybe we'll try to see what we make this winter, or coming up to this winter, and maybe do another flip bike. I don't know. But comment down below if you're interested in any of that. Definitely hit that subscribe button and watch that. That's going to be a whole little series in itself. This is a good little spot. See, there's cars out all around, and I just don't have any good places to do any of these wheelies at. Well, we got it up a little bit. That's not bad. There's definitely some parts through here. There's a bunch of people. There's some people up at that church I usually turn around at. Through here, there's usually not a whole lot of houses and a whole lot of traffic. But, you know, being really new to this and not really knowing what I'm doing, the traffic really messes with me. And of course, it's not really safe, but, you know, down in Mexico, it really doesn't matter, does it? But we'll try to find somewhere else. I've got one little spot, but I think I'm just maybe heading into town to check out that church and just see if I can't do a session, because right now it's looking kind of busy out here. It is a Saturday afternoon. I mean, honestly, this is like the worst time to do it. Yesterday would have been better if it didn't rain on me, and trying to go out and do wheelies in the rain, well, that's not going to work out. So let's jump to the next location. Well, guys, looks like the church is a no-go. They're using the back parking lot for an event right where I would need to be. So, like I said, Saturday afternoon, I guess not a good time to be trying all this. But we're going to use this service road right here anyways, just to get a little bit in. And, of course, there's a truck coming behind me, so I don't know. We're going to see what we can do. It's really not looking like it's meant to be today. Trucks are coming in. I got a distribution center right here. Trucks are really the only main traffic. But I don't know, we're going to try to get it in a little bit. Like I said, it's been a while, so I don't really care. I just want to get the front end up a little bit, kind of get back in the saddle, just try it out a little bit. And I guess we need to do this during the week if possible. That's going to be my guess. There we go, that was a good one. I felt the rear tire go a little flat. I'm running very low air pressure to try to help me, because the tire isn't exactly super sticky, but we're getting there. That was probably one of the better ones, so I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, we'll let these cars pass and probably roll through one more little session and see what we can't come up with. I think got another truck coming far side, so that kind of stinks. But yeah, I could definitely feel that rear tire kind of squish down as we kind of got that bike up before. Got a couple of good ones. I'm starting to see more and more trucks come in. I don't know if it's just the time for them to show up. More and more traffic, so I probably overstayed my welcome. Went up and down this road a few times. And, you know, you also don't want the cops called on you making a decent amount of noise. So, can't stay in one spot too long. Still trying to learn that spot of where, you know, you spin and pick the tire up. I'm not really doing the bounce method. I'm still just trying to basically do a full clutch up with very little air pressure. Well, not very little air pressure, enough to you can ride around, but definitely low air pressure. I'm not really, you know, getting on the highway and doing a little trip or anything. But I'm going to pull in here real quick and just text my buddy and see what he's up to. But I think I might head back to the house. Yeah, I think it's time to head home. Try to do a little bit on this side street, but traffic is pretty high right now. I got a couple good ones. got one, probably my best one today, so that's progress. I'm happy. I mean, you got to be happy with that. But we're going to work on some more content when I get home, work on some orders, all the stuff like that. But Dyna days of summer are here. I probably should have been doing this way before now, but better late than never, I guess. I felt like waiting to the hottest part of the year, but it is what it is. We're going to get it going, hopefully do more of these, because I do find these quite enjoyable. But if you've made it this far, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, comment down what you think about maybe doing a flip series for builds, or flipping some stuff for money. I do appreciate your input, and I love the more business aspect side of that stuff. But as always, keep it wretched.